Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. Alright, let's begin. First, you need to open any type of preferred browser and search for Microsoft Rewards. After that, open the first web link and then click on the Start Earning button. Here, sign into your Microsoft account and you will be redirected to this page. In order to earn points, you will need to do your daily sets. You just need to do this daily and then you will receive streak bonuses. So basically, you want to stock points. You can just start doing more activities from the bottom and earn more points. After you have earned enough points, then you can just scroll to the top and select redeem. It will then take us to a new web page where you will be able to get all of the available offers. Here, search for Roblox in the search bar located at top left corner and then select it. Now you can see that 100 Robux are redeemable if you have 1500 points. You can just redeem the Robux in exchange for points and you'll be good to go. So that's basically how you can get Robux with Microsoft Rewards. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.